Yagni benta Jong kubor la 100 daga fatafat online shopping store.
Joint Director Jong Kameglia Board of School Education na Mbose uba McDonald Marmanyang ula pentip baka Mbose kan penbena ya ke result class 12 Jong ka science pat commerce stream Lashai ke sengi ke Naitung Naitung. Uni Joint Director ula pentip baka Mbose minta kanum penmi isu ya ki booklet Henry ya ke result on penbena be ha ka website Jong ka Mbose.
Seen yesterday, we have notified, given a press release yesterday, that they will declare the result of science and commerce the day after tomorrow, that is on the 9th of July, during office hour. And then, the situation this year is like this, so that's why we have done away with the traditional systems of printing the result booklet and all these things. And we will give the results only in the digitally online, where you will find the candidates, principals, and all. They can view from the website of the Mbose website, and also some of the dedicated this one website, which we have already given in the press notification.
Kumban chun kemau ki dan lai hajar reus pak sangut ki bayale ya ka Hsslc science but hajar aspak laingut ya ka Hsslc hak commerce stream.
Everyone knows that the situation this year is a bit different compared to the previous years, but I just wish that they should not panic, because not only in our state we are losing schools, we are losing colleges, but in the whole country, in fact in the whole world, and we are happy that things are moving so slowly that it will limp back to normalcy. So we just hope that everything will go well. So I just wish all of them very good luck.